Crypto Kids, you need to watch this video by tomorrow. Monday is a day of massive volatility and Bitcoin is breaking below a very critical pattern, and I have Carl Moon here who's going to help me break down if we will go down or not. Carl, what do you think of this pattern? We're going to jump into it in a second. What are your initial thoughts?
Alright, so first of all, if you've been watching the Moon Show for the past few weeks, you know that the bear flag is my biggest thing I've been looking at. I think the bear flag, unfortunately, is the biggest sign or pattern that we have to analyze right now.
Let's maybe go into the chart.
Let's do that.
Everybody knows what we're talking about. So right over here we have the 4-hourly time frame. You can see a clear bearish continuation pattern forming, and Bitcoin is on its support. So
yeah.
Now you can share your thoughts, please.
Yeah, so basically if we do break below the support right here, then of course we would go down to the target of the bear flag, which would be down at 75k. But as a trader, you don't want to predict whether we break up or down. You just want to react when we do. So if we break down, we short. If we break the resistance at 94k, we go long. Very simple.
And personally, what I'm doing is, and then I'm going to ask you, what are you doing with your positions? I anticipate Bitcoin to reach the 99 to 107 territory, the 200 daily moving average, regardless if we break to the downside first or we break up. I'm shorting between 99 and 107. But if you're a scalp trader, because I know you do a lot of scalp positions too, what are you doing? Are you going to short if we do 2 4-hourly confirmations below 88.4?
So basically the confirmation needs to be filled with volume, and the best is usually the retest. So we break down and then you break back and retest support or resistance. So that's the safe way to do it.
Yeah, so let me just demonstrate what Carl is pointing towards. So that would be a breakdown here, a retest, and then you head to lower levels. You said 75k. We know that in April of 2025, when the Trump tariffs were introduced, 74, 75 was the levels we came down to. I was thinking maybe we come below it by like a wick and we jump above to confirm a bearish trend on the macro, and then we start going to the upside, but obviously we end up consolidating down.
Very possible.
Over the long term. That's my sort of thoughts. But Carl, thank you so much for jumping on. Any final words you have to say? Anything that we should ask the audience as a favor?
Yes, 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes, or you will make me cry to sleep tonight.
Which would be horrible.
1,500 likes.
Oh,
you know, how about that?
Guys, for Ralph, for Ralph, I think we can do 1,500 likes.
Let's do it.
And if we can I get a promise from you guys that we do a video, us 3 together again this week? If we get 1,500 likes.
Let's do it. By when?
Let's say tomorrow, right?
Okay, let's go.
Tomorrow. All right, guys, make sure to hit the like button. If we fall below 88.4, 2 4-hourly confirmations, I think is scalp short to 75. 74 could be nice. I'm shorting between 99 to 107.
Bitcoin is bearish right now because of the trend.
Yeah.
So the only way to flip bullish now is if we do get that clean break above 94,000. That is it.
Exactly.
So unless we're above 94 by tomorrow, we're bearish. And tomorrow on the Moon Show, there's going to be a live stream with Crypto Kid, and of course you should watch that.
Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want to open any sort of position and get the best bonus available, we have negotiated very hard with our partners so that you guys get the best bonuses, the best deposit bonuses. If you want to sign up, links are down in the description down below. Thank you, Carl Moon. Thank you, Ralph Bushong, and we will see you guys very soon. Take care, and as always, bye-bye.